This video explains how to buy shares of Janux Therapeutics Inc, ticker JANX, listed on NASDAQ. Janux Therapeutics is a clinical-stage biopharmaceutical company developing targeted therapies. This is educational content and not financial advice. To trade, you need a broker account. We use eToro as a neutral example to show the steps. After registering, you will need to verify your account, which commonly requires a government ID, and add funds to place an order. Use the platform search box and type the ticker JANX to find the listing. Make sure you select the Janux Therapeutics Inc. entry on NASDAQ to locate the correct stock. On the stock page, review the company summary and the price chart to confirm this is the right asset. Check the market listing and ticker to be certain before proceeding. Click the Buy or Trade button, enter the amount you want to invest, then carefully review the order details and confirm the transaction. If the market is closed, your order may execute when it reopens, and if you do not have sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. Once executed, your JANX position will appear in your portfolio, and you can monitor it from there. A link to the example broker is in the description if you want to follow the same steps.